Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my July 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unbagging. Gosh, this is finally here. I feel like I was waiting for it for so long. I already have unboxed and tried out the makeup products from BoxyCharm Base Box, BoxyCharm Premium, my Ipsy Glam Bag. So finally, this one got here. And if you're not familiar with Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, it's a monthly beauty subscription that has full-size products versus the regular Ipsy Glam Bag, which you can get more sample sizes in that. But I love the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus because I get to choose 3 out of the 5 products. Therefore, I'm pretty likely to like the bag, although I can never remember what I actually choose because I chose so far in advance before getting this. Oh, wow. So with the Glam Bag Plus, you do get a makeup bag, but none of my products are actually in the makeup bag. That's funny. But so here is what the bag looks like this month. It's cute. And then, I don't know why I still get these. It doesn't have product information. It just has friendly SPF tips. I do really like the Ipsy app though, so I can pull that up and be able to figure out my retail value. But so let's just jump right in. Ooh, okay. You know what? I actually do kind of remember, I think I redeemed points for this product here. This is actually probably the first time I've gotten this type of product in Ipsy. It's press-on nails, which is my new favorite thing. I'm pretty much almost always wearing press-on nails, except for right now. I'm giving my nails a break. But this is awesome. It comes with a pair of, or a set of these kind of matte dark plum ones. Ooh, and then these glittery gold ones, which are going to be, I think, a little messy because there's like literally loose glitter coming off in the packaging here. But really cute, and I like the shape of these. I'm not too big into the super long nails, so even when I put on long press-on nails, I usually just clip them anyways. But I love press-on nails because then I don't have to worry about the nail polish chipping. So I was really excited to be able to redeem Ipsy points to get these. These are from the brand Tip Beauty, which I'm not familiar with, but I'm sure you'll see me wearing these nails in upcoming videos. Next, I've got, from the brand Kimchi Chic, which is a brand that I think might be relatively new to Ipsy or BoxyCharm that I've gotten to try out a couple products from. This is Thaler Bronzer, as if you just came back from a vacation. And I love the packaging on the Kimchi Chic products. I have this in the shade number 1. See, so adorable. And I love bronzer. This looks like a great shade. Oh, I'm so excited to try this out. So I have a series here on my YouTube channel where I try out a new makeup product every day. So that's when I'll be actually swatching and trying this out. So all of the makeup products that I get in this glam bag, I'll be trying out in full dedicated review videos very soon. So that's why for now I'm not actually going to be trying any of the products in this video. But the Kimchi Chic Thaler Bronzer in 01 I Went to Malibu is one of the products in my glam bag. It retails for $15. Next, I'm going to pull out, this is from the brand Murad, which is one of my favorite skincare brands. It's the Acne Control Oil and Pore Control Mattifier Broad Spectrum SPF 45. 10 hours of oil, shine, and pore control. This sounds like a perfect product for, especially right now with the heat wave going on. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. I am very into my SPF moisturizers every morning, so I am excited to get this. Typically in my glam bags, I like to see more makeup than skincare, but an SPF product I am always happy to get, and I love Murad, but it's an expensive brand, so I'm actually very happy to get this. Let's see what this retails for. So the Murad Acne Control Oil and Pore Control Mattifier Broad Spectrum SPF 45 retails for $48. Yeah, pricey, but they are great products. Next, I've got Ooh, I believe I redeemed my Ipsy points to get these as well, which I should clarify. When you redeem Ipsy points, you get products for free, and you earn those points by reviewing the products that you get each month. And also everyone who has an Ipsy subscription gets a referral link. So I always put that in the description of my videos. So if you're interested in subscribing to Ipsy, you could go through my referral link and that will give me points, which I can redeem for products like this. These are some beautiful lashes from Voss. False lashes are a product that I don't get very often in Ipsy either, but oh my gosh, these look really pretty. 2 sets of some glam looking lashes. It has been a while since I put on some fake lashes, so I am very excited to try these out. The next product I'm gonna pull out, ooh, this looks fun. This is from Item Beauty. Boost Juice Dual-Ended Lash Primer. Really cool packaging. Oh wow, this is literally a purple colored mascara. And this is a bright blue colored mascara. Whoa. Oh, okay, so it looks like the purple is volumizing and the blue is lengthening. This sounds right up my alley because I love to try out lash enhancing products. I use a lash primer every day. I use 2 lash serums every day. I'm very into taking care of my lashes, so a double lash primer sounds amazing to me. Like, I am so into taking those extra steps to help improve my lashes. And I love how unique of a product that is. When I've tried out literally over, like, what am I up to now? Like 1,600 products here on YouTube, that this is so different than what I've tried before is so exciting to me. I love to see that. So this Item Beauty Boost Juice Dual-Ended Lash Primer and Colored Mascara. Okay, so you can also use it as a colored mascara in blue and lilac. It retails for $18. What a fun product. Next, I've got, from the brand Cella, Dual Liquid Eyeliner Pearl. What? In blue and black. Another duo, like, double-ended product? That is so funny. This is in, like, plastic wrap, so I'll wait until that video that I'm doing on this, the dedicated review video, to actually open this and check it out, but this is pretty cool as well. I'm definitely not as interested in eyeliners, liquid eyeliners, but the fact that this is double-sided, you've got the blue, not just the black, makes it a little bit more exciting. So the Cella Liquid Eyeliner Pearl in black and blue retails for $35. That is definitely pricey for an eyeliner. And then I've got one product left in here, and this is from the brand Skylar Clean Beauty Coconut Cove Bergamot Coconut Ambrox. Ooh, fragrance. I actually love to get fragrances in my beauty subscriptions, and let's try this one out. Ooh, it has the roller ball. Ooh. Oh, that smells so nice. It almost like takes a second for the smell to really resonate and like all the notes, I guess, to hit. I love that. It's very nice and potent. And it's not as like coconutty as I would have expected with the name Coconut Cove. It is definitely a bit like floral. I kind of get, it reminds me of cucumber, like a Bath and Body Works cucumber smell. It's more like fresh than I was expecting. Not very like tropical pina colada, more like cucumber, like a cucumber melon, kind of. I really like it. And so the Skylar Coconut Cove Rollerball retails for $29. Wow, I have so many products in front of me right now, but I am so excited about all of these. This really is a great glam bag for me this month. I'll do a quick recap and then I'll let you know the total retail value. So the products that I actually got in my Glam Bag, and I'll separate the points products out separately, but the Glam Bag products, I got the Cella Dual Liquid Eyeliner, the Murad SPF 45 Acne Control Mattifying Lotion, the Item Beauty Dual Ended Lash Primer, the Skylar Coconut Cove Perfume, and the Kimchi Chic Bronzer. So that really is a really nicely curated glam bag to my preferences. Aside from the eyeliner, which I would have liked to have a different type of makeup product than an eyeliner, I'm very excited about all of these products. I can't wait to try them out. And then I also got the points products, the 2 Violet Voss lashes and the Beauty Tip press-on nails. So the glam bag itself, not those points products, comes out to a total retail value of $145, which really isn't that high of a retail value compared to other glam bags, and especially compared to BoxyCharm. But that is fine by me because it still is great value for what I pay to get the Glam Bag Plus. But these are all pretty much products that I'm excited to use and have in my collection. So that's really what I want from my glam bag. The value doesn't matter too much as long as I'm excited about the products. But if you've tried any of these products, I would love to hear in the comments down below your thoughts on them and any tips that you have, and let me know what you got in your July 2022 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.